Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the recoil starter assembly on your string trimmer, make sure the engine has cooled. Use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the 5 screws, securing the starter assembly to the engine cover and engine. With the screws unthreaded, you can set the old starter aside. Install the new recoil starter by positioning it on the engine assembly, making sure the recoil pulley engages with the starter pawls. Thread the 5 screws to secure. The larger screws go on the bottom,